This video is to show you how to use the gesture control feature in your new BMW. To turn the volume up, simply move your finger clockwise. To turn it down, turn it counterclockwise. To mute the sound, simply point 2 fingers at the center console. To change radio stations or skip songs, simply move your thumb in the direction you'd like the music to go, either forward or back. Now these gestures are customizable, or you can turn them on and off simply by going to the general settings and going to gesture control. And you can set the features for gesture 1 and 2, which are the point and a hand spread, and those have multiple different options. So if you don't want the point to be a mute, you can always change it to something else, like guidance to home or to turn off your screen. Same with gesture 2, which is a close open hand. You can also set that to multiple things. Right now it's set to notifications, but you can change it to multiple things, whichever you would like. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being part of the Century BMW family.